Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. In today's video, I'm gonna take you guys with me at Burlington. And yeah, let's see what makeup is in there right now. So Burlington, all Burlingtons are different. It just really depends where you live. But my Burlington never had Subculture, never had Anastasia, never had NARS, never had Too Faced, none of that, okay? But if you guys still want to see what's in my Burlington, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start in this corner. Oh my goodness, I love accessories. Give it a like if you love accessories too, so I know. But I feel like accessories definitely complete the entire look. Imagine just wearing like a simple white shirt. If you pop a really nice necklace, then boom, it's gonna have a little oomph in it. And wow, that earring set, guys, it's just $5 and you can't beat that price. Just make sure that the one that you're grabbing is complete, because you know how some people are, they would just, like, some people steal. Look at that box. So you have a lot of bath stuff to choose from. I wish I can stay here for a really long time, but I really want to focus on the makeup for today.
What a steal.
Oh my gosh, why? So let's go ahead and start with this aisle. You have some beauty blenders, you have some brushes. Oh, that's nice. It actually has a lash curler and beauty blenders. Ooh, this set is actually pretty cool. And I don't know whose that is. It's from the box, so they probably haven't finished fixing it. I haven't seen any Real Techniques this time, but this is mostly like the BB ones. Oh, that's actually pretty good. I don't know if I have pronounced that right, so if I did it incorrectly, I do apologize. So the prices of these kits are from $22. I believe it's like $24 to like $10. You can even see like a brush kit that's like $4.99. So you just really have to look. I actually love this set. It's super cute. The design is so unique. It actually reminded me of the Tarte. You know, that brush that they were selling? And then, ooh, look at that. 10-piece brush collection. And sometimes I just honestly look at the bristles and the handle, and that's how I actually determine whether to buy the brushes or not. Ah, this is also super cute. Oh my gosh. It's like I want to buy everything, but just for me. Oh my gosh. Why does that always happen? Like, it always happens. When you're looking for a gift for someone, you end up buying it for yourself. This is also a nice kit, but I really don't use a sponge applicator. To me, that's like, you know, especially if I have a texture on my face, it's not gonna work out. There's another, oh, it's the same. Okay, so let's move on to the next aisle. Ooh, there are more brushes here, guys. So there's so many brushes to choose from. There's everything for everybody. So you have some sponges, you have, ooh, this is actually inspired by Real Techniques, but it's not the real thing. Let's take a look at this one. Ooh, that's actually not bad at all. Oh my gosh, as you can see, I'm struggling. Just give me one moment. So I'm only using one hand, and I'm trying to be discreet as much as I can as well. Ooh, that one is missing one sponge. Great, guys, you just ruin it for everybody. And then over here, I really want to try these Conair brushes. Let me know if you guys want me to review this. The price is not bad as well. And ooh, more brushes here. Then you have more squiggly brushes there. Somebody changed their mind with that shoes. And they have some magnifying mirrors, vanity mirrors. Ooh, look, there's a Juicy Couture makeup accessories here too. And then these are the mirrors. There are some kabuki brushes, shavers, like a bunch of random stuff. There are still like a lot of brushes that you can choose from. I feel like this year I'm going to have to buy new brushes, because remember back then, I think that was like 2 years ago, I would always review makeup brushes, but it's been almost 2 years now, or a year and a half, that I haven't really replaced any of my brushes. So I think it's time. I say that it's time because not all of my brushes are MAC. So only just a few of my brushes look very decent until today. So we have here some lip kits. I feel like lip kits are such a thing right now, but I'm curious to try them out. So again, if you see anything here that you are curious and you want me to try out, let me know so I can buy one and test it for you guys, okay? And then it's nice that they have completely organized this. Must be hard to work, you know, in retail because of the go backs and all of that. And you have this nail polish set. I'm gonna go back at Burlington because I saw a Ciate London like nail polishes. This is like the Paris Hilton nail set. Ooh, I actually like that. If you guys do not know, I actually love Paris Hilton. Marilyn Monroe brushes. It's actually pretty cool. It looks like a crystal, but looking at the handle, I don't think it's gonna last. I feel like it's gonna shed. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest thing ever? Girl, I'm gonna buy that, even though some of the contents I'm not gonna use, but I have to buy that without Jondrae though. Shh. Because Jondrae, like, no. And then this is the nail polish advent calendar. And then you have more nail polishes here. This is $22. That is not bad at all. The price is so good. So some Burlingtons, they do have the makeup collection from last year, which to me, it's not bad. Realistically, when you buy limited edition, some of your... For me, some of my makeup is still just there on display. I haven't even used it. So more nail polishes here. I'm not really like a super fan of acrylics and gel because I've only tried it once. But oh, there's Orly as well. Just want to let you guys know. Okay. So there's just a few prestige, but it's my Burlington is not like one of those Burlingtons that has all of those prestige brands. I wish I live in San Diego or LA. I feel like that's the only time that you can really see those items. So have more here. A complete set of eyeshadow brushes, lipsticks, lip glosses, Paris Hilton makeup. Okay, let's close that. I didn't do that. And I think these are lip glosses. Ooh, kind of want to buy it just because of the packaging too. $7.99, guys. Wow, it's not bad. And then what else? What else do we have? There's a lip vault down there. And then, ooh, more lip vaults. Oops. Let me fix that later. Paris Hilton lip gloss vault. And then moving on. Well, there are like a bunch of random stuff in the floor. I don't know who do that. Somebody changed their mind with that Adidas thingy. Ellen Tracy. I feel like Ellen Tracy is like... I've always seen it at Burlington. So I'm not so sure if that's like exclusive to like Burlington or TJ Maxx. So please don't clock me on that. So a lot of EOS stuff. Physicians Formula. Most of the drugstore brands that I see here is BH Cosmetics, Physicians Formula, Rimmel London, Wet n Wild, and e.l.f. Have a lot of BB up in here. I think if you are... Ooh, what's this? That's pretty cool. Ooh, that looks so interesting. It actually looks pigmented in the packaging. And of course, they now have a lash vault. Some of them are good. Some of them have really thick lash bands. So I don't really like it. But if it works for you, you know, whatever works for everyone. But I find the lash band of that one like so freaking thick. And you have some makeup sets here as well that has like a little carry-on thingy. And then sorry if I'm, you know, very bad at describing and if I'm all over around because I'm trying to be, again, discreet. There's a glam box right here. I kind of want to open this, but I'm scared that whatever shades that they have is what I already have. But that's actually pretty good. Not to mention, I still don't have the naked heat, so have a lot of organizers here and bath stuff, more bath stuff. Super cute, really, really cute. And then you have some mascaras right here. I love how they organize everything in category. So one aisle is for eyeshadow palettes, one aisle is for brushes, one aisle is for this, one aisle is for that. Okay, I think we're gonna be going back to square one. Let's take a look at some of the bath items. These are so cute and the prices are insanely affordable. I'm telling you guys right now, you guys should go ahead and make a trip. So if you are a family member of mine, I'm gonna show you something that I really like and hope you buy it for me. But nobody's gonna do that, I guess. Just Jondrae is my only hope. Okay, I really love this. Okay, I really like that. I'm after the slippers. I know I already have a unicorn slippers, but I still like it, and it's only $12. Have mercy on me. And then you have more bath stuff here. I love that pink one as well. I really like that pink stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. Up in the front, you'll see a bunch of random stuff. I think if you go to Burlington, you're gonna be there for a complete 2.5 hours or not even. I think my only free day is going to be on the 24th. I'm so preoccupied. I have a lot of, things going on in my life right now. Ooh, I like this. Okay. If this is still at Burlington and next time I go there, I am definitely going to buy that because I haven't seen anything like it. As well as this one, but I still like the, the pink shimmery one. I wish it was way bigger though because I have a lot of, makeup. So makeup organizers right here. You know what, just like an idea, what you can do is that you can buy one of these bags and fill them with some goodies, or you can go to the Dollar Tree and buy some stockings. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment box down below, and I will see you guys on my next one.